Hey guys, Greg with BTOD TV and BTOD.com. In today's weight capacity comparison, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Ikea idasen and comparing it to the fully Jarvis extended version. Now, if you haven't seen these videos before, we like to look at 3 specific weights and compare each desk's performance as we apply these weights to the surface. With that, let's go ahead and jump into the first comparison. Before we go ahead and jump into the first comparison, there's a couple things we want to cover. Number 1 is the setup. As you can see, each desk does have cinder blocks on the surface plus smaller dumbbells and the weight of the surface to get to the initial 100-pound comparison. I'm also using my phone, and this is to operate the Ikea idasen as it does not have a programmable switch, so I'll be able to move the desk up with the Linac Desk Connect app. Another thing you want to take note of is when we're doing these tests, look at how a desk starts at the same sitting height and ends at the same standing height and how it performs through that range of motion, especially as we apply more weight to the surface. With that, let's go ahead and see how each desk performs here with the first 100-pound comparison test. For our second comparison, we'll be maxing out the Ikea idasen at 208 pounds. We also have 208 pounds set up on the fully Jarvis. Let's go ahead and see how these desks compare. For our third and final comparison, we'll be maxing out the fully Jarvis, which has a max capacity of 350 pounds. We've left the Ikea idasen at its max capacity, which is 208 pounds, so this will be a max versus max comparison, so you can see how each desk performs with its max weight applied to the surface. Now, we don't want to intentionally be overloading these desks, and we have found through testing that the Ikea idasen does not include overload protection, and the fully Jarvis does, so this is important, especially if you're trying to run these desks near their max capacity. It will help from you unintentionally overloading the desk, which could potentially void a warranty. With that, let's go ahead and see how each desk performs at the max versus max comparison. Hopefully that weight capacity comparison of the Ikea idasen versus the fully Jarvis extended gave you a better idea how each desk is going to perform with the 3 different weights that we tested here today. Through testing, you could see that the fully Jarvis product was the more consistent product, and as we added more weight, it was also the quicker product, and eventually it was able to lift quite a bit more weight than that of the Ikea idasen. Now, which is best for you is going to depend specifically on your needs, but I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please help us out, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future standing desk content. Thanks a lot for watching.